Hi guys, I'll show you how to pair the Bluetooth for the Alpine UTE-73BT. Go to source, BT audio, and then right here they have a setup. Press and hold it, and then go to Bluetooth. If it's not the Bluetooth, you can turn the knob and then you can go to Bluetooth. And then pairing, press the knob again. Press knob again at the set device, and then go to phone. Go to Bluetooth. Search for the device. Okay, they have a UTE-73BT. Okay, so pair. I don't want to allow, so deny. See, now it's pair. Thank you for watching.